March 25th. Wait, I'm recording this screen. I'm just kind of looking back at my older videos on this channel, and they were getting more views, but I feel like I was acting more like not how a trader really should be, emotional or just like being more of a personality rather than actually focusing on trading. And like these videos get like 5 views, bro, 6, 7 views, and it's more just like for me, probably for the future. Just look back at this, or whoever just wants to watch my journey. The 5 people that watch these recaps. Uh, thank you if you do, bro. Obviously, if you're hearing this, you're watching this, so thank you so much. But here's a recap for today. Actually, a pretty decent day. I took a new trade. So first of all, let's go over the trades that I was already in. XOM, little pullback today. We'll see what happens. You might want to pull back to the EMAs. Let me delete this. I might want to pull back to the EMAs and then go higher. It might just close below the 10 EMA, then I will exit it. Yesterday, I took a 20% trim of my position. At the end of the day, oh, I already said it, yeah. So, yeah, we'll see how this goes. If it goes higher, then it goes higher. The one stock I'm kind of comparing it to is MPC. This one had a very, very clean breakout. Would be sitting at 126 right now, MPC. But wait, delete. Oh no, okay. But yeah, this one's like not that far. I guess like maybe a couple or actually 124. But yeah, then GLW, decent day. It was kind of chopping today. Not really like a move up, but I mean it's still a green day for the stock, but not really a move up. Just kind of a sideways chop today. Still up a little bit from yesterday, and I'm up 1 2. Let me snap it to the 1279 RR right now on this. And then this is a stock that I took today. It looked very promising, kind of in the middle of the day, and then it just died out. You can see right here, very good entry. I was thinking of taking this in AMD, but I ended up taking this. It's had good volume, 250,000. You can see it. This number right here, it'll show once I hover. 250,000. Multiply that by the price, that's millions and millions of dollars. Let me see. Times like 117. That's $291 million that was put into the stock. I'm actually tripping. 29 million. My bad. 29 million. Almost 30 mil in the first 1 minute. In the first 1 minute. Then another 10 mil. So I'm I'm gonna buy this, bro. So not gonna. I bought this on the third minute. Maybe it was this candle, but this is my exact entry in terms of price. Stop loss, low of day, and it ran actually pretty well today. It went up to a few R and then just died out. Yeah, went up to 3.5 R, but yeah, died out to the end of the day. So we'll see how this goes. I was like looking at SATS and AMD at the same time. AMD, I was talking about this yesterday. Similar setup to GLW, where it moved up, kind of made a sideways range within the EMAs, and then broke out just like GLW. It is kind of rejecting off of this gap of earnings right here. The Qs or Nasdaq is down, is very weak. So we'll see how AMD acts. I know a trader, Johnny Options, the one. Oh, that's my mic. I'm in his Discord. He's taking a short actually off of the gap because the Qs are weak, because it's kind of I guess a little bit extended from the EMAs, just a little bit. So we'll see how this goes. I would have taken this long. I didn't have enough buying power because I'm in so many positions already. Enough buying power to like risk 1%. It would have been like half a percent, or probably. Oh, I think I risked. Or was it G? Oh, it's GLW that I risked less than 1%. But yeah, ACTS I took instead of AMD. AMD looked very good today, and you can see it was a pretty successful day for AMD. I would have been up more if I took AMD for sure, but I'm not even gonna check the R. I didn't take it too bad, but also ASTS had a breakout today. Not my favorite because I think it broke out like towards later. Yeah, so it wasn't like within the first few minutes. It was after almost 30 minutes, and it was kind of far already, like for the, what's it called? I didn't take this, like, don't get confused. I didn't take this. It was just too far into the day, and it wasn't, I mean, it was high volume. Yeah, definitely was high volume. I could have taken this. You can see top right, 250K times like 94. That's millions. And these candles right here, that's getting bought up. And then I put this like position thing right when I was looking at it. So yeah, I would have been up. All right. Oh wait, not even 1 hour actually, not even half hour. But yeah, it moved up a lot today. It might, might break out just like AG, very similar setup. I took this on paper trading. This trade right here, kind of similar, right? Move up, has these higher lows and lower highs, and just broke out of the range. It's sad how this kind of died off, but yeah, we'll see. This might move tomorrow. Maybe even if it has like a very high volume open tomorrow, I might take it. But last few weeks, last few months, actually, like towards the end of the day, the market kind of died out. So we'll see. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take any more. Well, I don't think I have any more buying power to take anything yet. I'm in these three positions. My whole account is in these positions, and the good thing about this strategy is I'm up a few R. I was like 1.8 R on this, and then like over 124 R on this. So even if I just get stopped out on all these, I'm only losing 3% of my account. But if all of these hit and I exit them at like 1 to 3 R, then it's a pretty good thing. Trading pretty good compared to what the market is doing, and I'm just excited for when the market is gonna come back, when the market is actually gonna go up. I mean, I'm honestly anticipating a dump, maybe something like this, maybe even I don't know about this. This was tariffs, but even if this happens, you have shorting opportunities and you have investing opportunities. You just keep buying until eventually it just goes up. Every dip gets bought up. If this happens, then I'm low-key gonna go into depression because this is too long, bro. Over a year when it starts going back up. So hopefully it doesn't. I mean, it's been going just pretty much straight up. Lately, we are at the 200 EMA, been chopping for a while. You know, the 200 EMA is a pretty prominent place for Nasdaq to bounce right here. Here, I mean, it's not really at the EMA. It is went a lot lower, but yeah, you can see right here these bounces. Hopefully, we're kind of in this type of situation where it chops and then bounces off the EMA and has a good move up. Again, I can hope as much as I want. It's gonna do what it's gonna do. So we'll see. We just didn't have a rebalance to the 200 EMA on a daily in a while since literally mid last year. So we'll see how it goes. and I did see another short, bro. Like I keep seeing, what's it called, ICT trades on Nasdaq and Spy, but I don't trade them. Look at this, SMT right here. Spy took this high. Wow. Spy took this high. You can see right here. So it's an SMT. QQQ is weaker. You take a short off an inverse fair value gap. This closed 590.34. I forgot, or let me see this. Oh yeah, so it is. So yeah, you take the trade right here. I'm not sure, like even if I was, bro, it's like I don't even know if I back test or should back test this. But stop loss at the high. I mean, TP you can put it here, not the greatest RR, or you put this to this low, but it's all like obviously I'm gonna put it here in hindsight. This is a lot better RR. On options, you're absolutely eating. But I don't know, bro. Maybe I'll have like a separate account that I'm gonna open specifically for day trades, because I mean I'm just seeing something every single day. And in yesterday's video, I also pointed out another trade. And obviously it's all in hindsight, but I did take this one yesterday on paper trading, because I'm not trying to day trade it. I feel like swing trading is better, but I mean look at this, bro. I made 70% on paper trading on this account, or on this trade. I mean, was this an SMT? I'm not sure. Oh, it was like a 50% of some range. Oh, of this range, it was 50%. Dipped into discount. I don't know if this was an SMT. I'm kind of. Alright, fine. Fine, I'll check. This is today. And it was an SMT. Them SMTs be eating, bro. Look at this SMT. Spy's technically stronger. You take the inverse fair value gap right here. Stop loss either at the low or somewhere like here, and then take profit. I put it at this candle right here. Or where did I put the stop on the Qs? I don't even know why I'm trying to show this. Put the stop right here. And just like a low. I don't know. Should I day trade, bro? Should I start day trading since we're in this range and like swings aren't playing out as much? I'm still green so far in the month. It's not much money. But I was never green with day trading, that's the thing. Actually, I was. The only account. How many funders did I have? I think two. And one I blew for fun because I just started swing trading. I didn't want to day trade no more, and I just blew for fun. I made like $700 in a day just spamming trades, and then I lost all of it. So I don't know. Should your boy Copper fund it, or? I mean, I'm doing decent with swings, with longs in this red market, in this bearish market. I don't know. I don't. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. This is like what's happening. I'm just in these three trades. I'm gonna low key link a Discord in the description. I have a bunch of people already in there since from my Instagram and from this channel when it was doing a lot better. I'm not gonna be sending any alerts, but it's just like if you want to talk to me, talk to other people, ask me questions, maybe. What's it called? I'll talk to you in there. I mean, I'm barely having any comments, so I doubt anybody will even join from this video if I'm getting like 5 viewers. But yeah, thank you for watching, bro. This is just an update. Finally, I recorded my videos for the day before, or it's not like 5 minutes before I gotta leave to work, so that's good. I have some time. Oh, and an amazing chest day today. I hit 205 for 6 and 225 for 3 today on bench. That's pretty good. It's my PR. I think I've hit 225 for 3 before, but I haven't hit 205 for 6. So that's, I guess, my rep PR. I was expecting to hit 205 for 3 because I hit 195 for 5 my first set before last chest day. So I was expecting to hit 205 for like 3, but I ended up hitting for 6 because I saw my boy who's literally like Asian and jacked. I called him Joseph Shin. I trained with him in high school, bro, and he's my G, bro. We were working out so hard. It was insane, and he's so much bigger than me. He literally looks like he's on roids, but he motivated me. I walk in the gym, I see him. We talk for a bit. I get motivation. I have my energy drink in me. I have carbs in me. I have water, salt, dates in me, honey. I barely got sleep, but I had the 300 milligrams of caffeine from the rain energy drink got me good, and I just had that drive. Amazing workout today. Tomorrow I got legs, and then on Friday I'm hitting arms with him. So I'm gonna absolutely carb up, sugar up, energy drink up before that workout, and just gonna have a banger, bro. Maybe I'll even upload it here. But yeah, I also uploaded. I'm gonna upload a video right after this. I already have a recorded little motivational video, so watch that if you kind of don't have anything to do. I'm gonna catch you in the next one. I'll catch you tomorrow, Big Bird.